Dan here, CableGuy. Just following your question on the rear of the shins, how you connect them. I wouldn't say there's a right or wrong answer, but this is how I did mine. So this is the right shin for the TK kit, obviously the one without the sniper knee. And on mine, obviously then if it's the right, then the cover strip should overlap from the outside of your leg over the inside. So obviously that right hand side is overlapping. And you've got Velcro here, Velcro in the middle as well, so basically two sets of Velcro there. And originally I had a third set at the bottom here. The only thing I found is that if you're trying to get up and down stairs and you've got this like that, you've just got it Velcroed and there's no give, you can find that with your boot in there, going up and down stairs, it can try and pull apart. So what I actually did was used some elastic with Velcro tabs on it. So basically that Velcro's in here, and that is a bit of a mix between the original method, which was elastic with bra hooks, and then this method with the Velcro. So in the middle there it's firm, but at the bottom around your boot you've actually got quite a bit of give. So again, if you're trying to get up and down stairs and things like that, it's not just going to try and rip it apart in there. The popper as well, you can see, you've probably seen Ross's videos as well, but the popper is to attach to the rear of your boot. So if you want to stop these from the shins from twisting around your leg, you can attach it to the inside of the boot. Again, actually I did that with elastic tabs to the boots, and that was a really useful way. So that's it. Velcro at the top, Velcro in the middle, elastic tabs, and that's held up so far. I've done 17 troops in this kit and that method's worked really, really well. So that's effectively it. Hope that's helpful. Take care, bye.